Let us solve the question number 17 of exercise 5.3 of chapter 5. And this question says, in a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class. This is very important, in which they are studying. For example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2nd will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. Therefore, we have 12 classes, and this is additional information that there are 3 sections of each class, and we are asked here that how many trees will be planted by the students. So let us see how to solve this question. This is very important question of this exercise. Let me make you understand the solution of this question in a very easy way. Let us see. Suppose we have class first, and this class has 3 sections: section A, section B, and section C. And section A will plant 1 tree, section B will plant 1 tree, and section C will plant 1 tree. So the total number of trees planted by class 1 equals to 3. So we can write here total trees equals to 3. Same as suppose this is class 2nd, and class 2nd has also 3 sections: section A, B, and C. And section A will plant 2 trees, section B will plant 2 trees, and section C will also plant 2 trees. Therefore, they will plant 6 trees. Let us take another class 3rd. Class 3rd also has 3 sections: section A, B, and section C. Section A will plant 3 trees, and section B will plant 3 trees, and section C will plant 3 trees. So these are sections, and these are total number of trees, 9. So we have RAP like this. First term is 3, and the number of trees planted by class 2nd equals to 6. Trees planted by class 1 equals to 3, class 2nd by 6, and class 3rd by 9, and so on till class 12. So this is an AP, and first term is 3, and the common difference is also 3, and there are 12 classes. This means N is 12, and we have to find out the total number of trees planted by all these 12 classes. So we have to find out value of Sn, that is n over 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we shall put the value of n, a, and d in this formula. N is 12, so we can write 12 here, and a is 3, n is again 12, and d is 3. Now we shall calculate this value. If we divide 12 by 2, we get 6, and 2 into 3 means 6, and 12 minus 1 equals to 11. 11 into 3 minus 33. 11 into 3 equals to 33. So this is 6 into 39. and if we multiply 6 with 39 we get 234. So sum of 12 term is equals to 34. So total number of trees planted by students equals to 234. This is the solution of the question. Thank you.